Man restores a neglected 1830s cabin to its former glory. This guy found this 1830s log cabin and hated to see it just stand there and rot away. He knew there wasn't much time left before it was a pile of rotted wood, so he went to work quickly. His goal was to save this abandoned cabin. His priority was to label the salvageable pieces of lumber and delicately transfer them to his own property, where he could resurrect this gem into the glory that it used to be. This DIY restored cabin is really something to be proud of. Look at the step-by-step pictures below. This is the original 1830s structure as he found it abandoned in a field. He begins the meticulous labeling process. He then carefully started to transfer the logs to his own property. Using some new lumber to fill in the gaps that have rotted away, the progress was coming along great. He added a roof and framed in some windows. Here's the fireplace being assembled and mortared. A beautiful handmade stone enclosure. You can tell he takes a lot of pride in his work. The craftsmanship is apparent with his build. He stayed true to the building design and application, keeping this cabin looking antique yet functional. This place turned out incredible. It looks like it's right out of a storybook. The stairs were handcrafted out of huge logs. Looking down from the loft, here's a panorama of the interior of the cabin. And here's the final outcome of an 1830s log cabin, resurrected and restored to its original glory. I imagine the building process wasn't easy, but the outcome looks like it was more than worth it. The beauty of this antique home is the history that's ingrained into these logs, pun intended. Just think how happy the original builders of the structure would be to see their hard work resurrected to its former glory. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.